Already done some Jeep grills, kind of showed you guys a few things on it, but today we're going to be doing a Spartan Jeep grill. And so what that is I'll pull this up here and let you see it. Of course, you've definitely got a lot more meaner look to it, which is awesome. The grill already looks great, but now you've got all these extra ridges in through here, all of this and everything that you have to account for whenever you are dipping this down into the water. And so to kind of give you a quick little rundown, we've already got this all base coated with our charcoal metallic gray, and everything is ready to be dipped. We've already got our film already cut, ready to go. Now one thing is you will see that I've got my tape right here and right here. And so if you notice, I do have a spot right here and right here at the very top that I can actually release some of that air. And so what that means is that as I'm going to be dipping down into the water, I'm going to be not holding it like this, but just to give you an idea, it's going to be like this. And so as it's coming down, then it allows that air to come into right here and escape out. And same thing whenever it's up into here, it's going to allow it to escape out like that. And so that's kind of why we've left those holes in that area. Now if you block all that off, and then as this covers everything, you're going to get a big old void right in here and a big void right in here. And so of course you don't want that, so that's the reason why you want to tape it mostly off, but still leave that little bit of excess so that way all that air can escape out. So this one we're actually going to be dipping pretty much very similar to the way that we did the other Jeep grill. We're going to hold it something like this right here and then go pretty much at an angle just like this all the way down into the water. And so of course inevitably inside the grill channels right here, it is going to stretch a little bit. You are going to get some stretch into here, into there, a little bit of stretch in here, probably not too much right up in this area, but mainly definitely on these big parts right here, and definitely this big curve here and big curve here. So kind of wanted to shoot a quick video, show you guys a few tips on that, and go ahead and that way you can see if you ever do get one of these in exactly how you do it. So let's go ahead and set this down. We'll put the film on the water and then get started. So of course you're going to get your hands pretty wet because you definitely want to keep that angle, but the dip will come out amazing. Alright, so let's go ahead, we'll get this all rinsed off and then get it clear coated and we'll be ready to go, so stay tuned. Alright, so we got everything clear coated and the grill definitely looks amazing. We came back in, we blacked out all this back portion back here, so that way whenever you pop the hood, everything looks really good. So we've got all of this blacked out in here, and then we did whatever little touch-ups that we needed to do on the actual grill itself, and I think it came out really good, looks amazing. I think the customer's definitely going to love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know we always do. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you would like to see any videos or any topics or anything like that, definitely let us know and we'll try to get those on order as well. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and we're making hydrographics great again. We'll see you guys next time.